this is how you can blur a face inside DaVinci Resolve. Step 1 is to drag the playhead on top of the clip that you want to blur the face in, and you also need to select the clip by clicking on it, and then you move down here and go to the color page, and in here you will find different tabs, and you want to click on this window right here, and then those options appear. So you can add different shapes as masks to your video, and for example you could use a rectangular shape, a circle, a straight line, or simply draw your own mask and just add some points by drawing on here. So simply clicking around the face like so. It's not that accurate, but it will do the job just fine. And next up is the step where you blur the actual mask. So you go to this page right here, and here you can see on the left hand side there's this radius section, and in here you will simply drag and hold those sliders, and as you can see the blur effect will be increasing or decreasing accordingly, and in my case I want to blur it quite a lot, so let's say that should be good. And what you will notice is when you play back the video, the mask is only applied to the spot where you draw it, so, or drew it. So as you can see, when the person is moving, the mask doesn't move accordingly, so you have to track the mask to the face. And to do that, you can simply find a spot where the mask is spot on, let's say right here, and then you will go to the tracker and simply click on track forward, so the tracking will be applied. And of course you need to also track backward, so you will click on this arrow right here and the tracking will be applied backwards. And now when you play back the clip, you can see the mask moves according to the head movement, and that's basically how you can blur and track a face inside DaVinci Resolve. Of course, this method also works for objects, so you could also, for example, track those headphones right here. So there are a lot of possibilities using this method, and yeah, until next time.